Coming in as well. Heated arguments in the Supreme Court as SC hears the plea filed by Pawan Khera seeking extension of protection against his arrest. Advocate Singhvi, who is arguing for Pawan Khera, stated that Telangana petition was filed in a hurry. He says in presence of the AG, it was pointed out during hearing that correct documents and order records were given. My wife is an MLA candidate in Telangana, but before the judgment, her affidavit was filed. This was now pointed out to this court. Sambhav Sharma with me on the broadcast. Sambhav, take our viewers through the details.
Well, a crucial hearing in Pawan Khera's transit bail case is going on in the top court of the country. Here, senior advocate Abhishek Singhvi making case for Pawan Khera because a petition has been filed by Khera in the Supreme Court seeking the vacation of the order passed by Supreme Court 2 days back, staying the 1 week transit anticipatory bail given to Pawan Khera by Telangana High Court. So the top court stayed it. Against it, Pawan Khera has filed a petition in the Supreme Court vacating that earlier order. And a hearing in that crucial matter is going on where Solicitor General Tushar Mehta has said that new pleadings added in the application, to which senior advocate Abhishek Singhvi has said that earlier order passed was ex parte, from one party only. And he said that transit bail granted earlier expired today, and courts in Guwahati or in Assam are reopening on Monday. To which Justice J.K. Maheshwari of the Supreme Court has questioned the basis of the submissions and also referred to certain documents. And if we talk about the petition, this petition is seeking protection to enable legal remedy before the jurisdictional court in state of Assam after Supreme Court earlier order. So the crucial hearing in the top court is going on as we speak, and Solicitor General Tushar Mehta has objected to senior advocate Abhishek Singhvi. A sharp exchange in the Supreme Court is seen during this Pawan Khera case, where Solicitor General said that don't make wrong statements, also cited certain property claims in Hyderabad. And Abhishek Singhvi, on the other hand, said that he is reading from the court's order, and also there is a bit change. But the court has asked Singhvi to approach the, in a way, the jurisdictional court in the state of Assam. And Justice J.K. Maheshwari also questioned over the alleged fraud of forged or fabricated documents, and he said that those documents cannot be relied upon for relief.
All right, stay on with me. Sambhav, more news coming in. Supreme Court has begun dictating the order. SC Judge Justice Maheshwari has stated that Abhishek Singhvi should approach the High Court for the bail plea. The bench has flagged that the Telangana petition lacks proper address. The bench has also made a key observation that forged or fabricated documents cannot be relied upon for relief. Sambhav, take our viewers through the details.
Well, absolutely. An order being dictated in the Supreme Court as we speak, and two-judge bench of the Supreme Court is, passing this order, and the special leave petition has been disposed of is what is breaking, and the order states that, it is clear, this is what the order is saying, it is clear that operation of this order of transit bail was stayed subject to the liberty to the respondent, that is Pawan Khera, seeking anticipatory bail from the court having jurisdiction in Assam, and court deciding the application shall not be adversely influenced, meaning thereby if application seeking anticipatory bail filed by respondent, that is Pawan Khera, before competent court, that is in the state of Assam, after the Supreme Court order, such court shall not in any way be influenced by the order granting transit bail or staying it, and that is court ought to decide on the basis of material place. So it's a direction by the Supreme Court to the jurisdictional court in the state of Assam when Pawan Khera files his petition in the state of Assam. And here the Supreme Court has said that the jurisdictional court in the state of Assam ought to decide on the basis of the material place and in its own merit. And also the top court has stated in its order that respondent, that is Pawan Khera, is at liberty to immediately apply before court concerned, that is in the state of Assam, who may take up the matter. In case court not functioning, as Senior Advocate Abhishek Singhvi was making his case before the Supreme Court, that in case any jurisdictional court in the state of Assam is not functioning, a request may be made to take up the matter, which may be considered in accordance with the prevailing practice. So in a way, it can be said that as of now, there is no relief to Pawan Khera from the Supreme Court, as the top court has again directed Pawan Khera to go to the court in the state of Assam, and also directed a court in the state of Assam to decide the application, in a way a bit early, and also decide it on the basis of material place and on its own merit. This is what the Supreme Court has said on Pawan Khera's petition, which was filed yesterday and also mentioned yesterday. And today a detailed hearing happened. Heated arguments happened in the top court, and now Pawan Khera will have to move to any of the jurisdictional courts or in the state of Assam to seek further relief in this particular